Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover for Women. White Rose Gold Electric Face Razor for Women with LED light for instant and painless hair removal. 1 Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover. White Rose Gold Stainless Steel Bladed Hair Remover for Women features 18-karat gold plating and LED light for precision. Use the face hair trimmer to instantly remove peach fuzz and hair from lips, chin, neck and cheeks, or use as an eyebrow shaper to maintain flawless brows between, or instead of waxing and plucking. Hypoallergenic and dermatologist recommended, this electric face razor allows anyone to painlessly remove unwanted hair by simply pressing to the face and making small circular motions, leaving skin smooth and hair-free. Made with 18-karat gold and shaped like a tube of lipstick for discreet hair removal anywhere, this women's electric razor utilizes revolutionary butterfly technology that removes hair by microscopically paring it down by a spinning head covered by a plate. Flawless facial hair removal device is gentle enough to use every day before putting on makeup, no need to wait for regrowth, so you can enjoy hairless skin every day without nicks, bumps or razor burn. Finishing Touch